welcome to the channel. Let's go for another operation. 6 times 7 minus 5 plus 8 divided by 4. A slightly larger operation, but let's solve it in a simple and easy way. Try to solve it yourself and put the result in the comments. Okay, let's go. First, what are we going to do?
Know the sequence of how to do it. So let's use PEMDAS.
PEMDAS is a way for us to know in which sequence to continue the operation. The P is for parentheses, right? Which is the first operation we have to solve. Exponential, the M and the D, multiplication and division. And the A for addition and subtraction, which is the fourth in line, right? So here is the sequence of priority for solving. Are there parentheses? Yes, there are. So what are we going to do first? Solve the parentheses. So we will repeat here, 6, remembering that when the 6 is next to the parentheses, it means there is a multiplication, right? Then comes 7 minus 2 equals 2, or 7 minus 5 equals 2 plus 8 divided by 4, right? Done. Now in this sequence here we have a multiplication, an addition, and a division. We come here. Logically it should be first. It would be multiplication and division before addition, but there are both. What are we going to do? We always do it from left to right. That's the sequence, right?
So we will start from here to there. So the first one here is what? The multiplication.
So we will do 6 times 2, which will be 12 plus 8 divided by 4. In this case, division has priority, so we will repeat the 12, put the plus, and do 8 divided by 4, which equals 2. Thus, 12 plus 2 equals 14. That is the correct answer. Go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel.